गोपीना मम निवेदन सुनो विषयी दुर्जना सदा कमराता किछु नहीं मोरा गुना
गोपीना मम निवेदन विषयी दुर्जना सदा कामरता किछु मोरा
गोपीना आमारा भरोसा तुम्हें तुम्हारा चरण लोईनु शरण तुम्हारा किंकर आमी
गोपीना
आमारा
तुम्हारा चरण लोईनु तुम्हारा किंकर आमी
गोपीना के मोने सोदिबे मोरे ना जानी भक्ति कर्मे जड़मती पोरेची संसारा घोरे
गोपीना के मोने सोदिबे ना जानी भक्ति कर्मे जड़मती पोरेची संसारा घोरे
गोपीना सकली तोमार माया नाही मम बल ज्ञान सुनिर्मल स्वाधीन नहीं एकाया
गोपीना
सकली तोमार
माया
नाही मम बल ज्ञान सुनिर्मल स्वाधीन गोपीना नियत चरणे साना मांगे ए पमारा कांदिया कांदिया कोरो हे कोरुणा दान गोपीना
नियत चरणे साना मागे
पमारा कांदिया कांदिया
करुणा दाना
गोपीना तुम्ही तो सकली पारो दुर्जने तरीते तोमार शक्ति के आछे पपीर आरो गोपीना
तुम्ही तो सकली पारो दुर्जन तारी तुम्हारा सकती आछे पारो
गोपीना तुम्ही कृपा पार बार जीवेरा कारणे आशिया प्रपंचे लीला कोइले सुविस्तार
गोपीना तुम्ही कृपा पारो जीवेरा कारणे आशिया प्रपंचे लीला कोइले सुविस्तार
गोपीना আমি কি দোষে দোষী আসুর সকল পাইল চরণ বিনোদ থাকিল বসে
গোপীনাথ
আমি
আমি কি
দোষে
দোষী
আসুর সকল পাইল
পাইল
চরণ
চরণ
বিনোদ
বিনোদ থাকিল বসি
গোপীনাথ মম নিবেদন শুনো विषय दुर्जन सदा कामरत किछु नहीं मोरा गुण
গোপীনাথ
मम
মম
निवेदन
নিবেদন শুনো
विषय
বিষয়
दुर्जन
দুর্জন
सदा कामरत
কামনা
किछु
কিছু
नहीं
নাহি মোরা গুণা
श्रील भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।
জয়
Hare Krishna. It's a beautiful song, as many of you have sung and read before. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is sharing a mood which sadhaka should have. Actually, he's really feeling it. He's completely pure. Bhaktivinoda Thakur, very, very great saint. But what is he feeling? He's feeling, I'm just going to read. O Gopinath, Lord of the Gopis, please hear my request. I am a wicked materialist. He's feeling that he is the wicked materialist. Always addicted to worldly desires, and no good qualities do I possess. So this is a great personality's mood, sign that he feels that he has no good qualities. Now, generally speaking, if somebody says like this from an ordinary perspective, people may think, maybe this person is a depressive case. He has had depression. But actually, in depression, one is hopeless. He is having no hope. But a devotee is always hopeful. See, next line he's saying, "Oh Gopinath, you are my only hope, and therefore I have taken shelter at your lotus feet. I am now your eternal servant." So this is the most joyful and happy thing, that okay, there's no good quality in me, but I am still have 100% hope. Why? Because my hope depends on you. My hope doesn't depend on who I am. And then third, saying, "Oh Gopinath, how will you purify me?" See, now this is up to Krishna now. It is up to him. That see, I have no good qualities, but my only hope is you. Now, how will you purify? That is for you to decide. I do not know what devotion is. So he's saying, I do not know what is devotion, and my mind is absorbed in fruitive work. Fruitive work means how I can get some benefit, money, health, power, prestige by doing some religiosity or some religious things. I have fallen into the dark and perilous worldly existence. So he's saying all these things actually on behalf of us, because this is what we do actually. But we don't necessarily accept this. We like to accept that, nay, we are also, little bit better. It's not that we don't have any good qualities, that will be too much. We have some good qualities we may not have, but most of the good qualities we have, right? That is how we feel. So that means it is going to take quite a bit of time for us to get purified. But one who is feeling no good qualities I have means very, very much high level of purification. And it is not saying, he's not saying for the sake of saying, he's feeling it. But at the same time, he's very, very hopeful. And his hope is dependent on Krishna. How will you purify me? Then in fourth, he's saying everything here is your Maya, your illusory energy. I have no strength or transcendental knowledge, and this body of mine is not independent and free from the control of material nature. So everything is happening because of your energies, your illusory energy. I am not the doer. Like in Bhagavad Gita, also we are reading, right? How the moods of nature, Swabhav, is making you act. We are not independent of it. We are controlled. And we are controlled, so we tend to do all these sins and everything. So how will you purify? So we do all these sins. So then in the fifth, he's saying, "Oh Gopinath, this sinner who is weeping and weeping begs for an eternal place at your divine feet. Please give me your mercy." So this is actually what our Acharya says our ISKCON temples are meant for us to go and weep and beg for shelter at the lotus feet of Krishna. And if we are not getting any tears, then we should weep and cry that, see, I am so fallen that I am not even getting any tears. Then sixth, oh Gopinath, you are able to do anything, and therefore you have the power to deliver all sinners. Who is there? Who is that more sinner than myself? So this is the common theme in many of the songs, that you, my Lord, you have appeared as Patit Pavan, right? Or you are the deliverer of the sinners. And then my qualification is very appropriate because I am the most sinful person. So my right is there on your mercy, because your mercy is meant for the most fallen and I am the most fallen. So please. So like that, they're trying to convince the Lord. Oh Gopinath, you are the ocean of mercy. Having come to this phenomenal world, you expanded your divine pastimes for the sake of the fallen souls. So you're the ocean of mercy. You appear, you give an insight to your pastimes for all the devotees, for all the fallen people, so that they can see and take shelter of you and association of your devotees and come to you. So you're so merciful. And last, oh Gopinath, I am so sinful that although all the demons attain your lotus feet, Bhakti Vinod has remained in worldly existence. So in this, he is actually, in the last, he is actually equating himself with the demons. Now, how many of us actually will equate ourselves to demons? I mean, we may compare ourselves to some, uh, some people who may may have done a little mistake or something, but we don't necessarily equate ourselves as demons, right? But this is the humility, height of humility of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He's saying all the demons have attained your lotus feet, only I have I am suffering here in this material existence. So this shows the extent of humility he's feeling. And that is because he's at a very, very advanced level of devotion. When we try to say these words, actually, we don't necessarily feel it 100% because we are not at the highest level of devotion. When we are at the highest level of devotion and we speak such things, then that actually makes a lot of impact. Like the example comes of Sanatan Goswami. Sanatan Goswami and Rup Goswami were brothers, and at a very high uh, position they were serving with the Nawab. But when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came to the city where they were, Ramakeli, they left their palaces in a very, very ordinary clothes and changed their dress so that not many people could recognize. In a very simple way, they went and they paid obeisances to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And then from the bottom of the heart, Rup Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, they were telling that how they are so fallen. And Lord Chaitanya, who is Lord Krishna himself, he said, your humility is breaking my heart. So that was the extent to which they were feeling humility, that it was causing such a deep impact to the heart of the Lord. So that is an ornament of a devotee. So Many times when people have to go to marriage, they will wear, or some parties, they will wear necklaces, ornaments, different other things. And that may be to, I don't know why they do, maybe to attract, mm, uh, the attention of other people or whatever. But the ornament which actually attracts the attention of Krishna is the humility, the devotion, the service attitude. These are the ornaments which beautify a devotee. Gratitude, being grateful. And here in this song, we can see the example of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. All right, thank you very much. I'll stop here. Anybody would like to make any points? Otherwise, we'll go to our next section.